you first learned about the sneeze counter? Does it bother you now? Oh, compared to when you first learned about it? Did your feelings change when Fuwawa sneezes started to be counted? I've been evolving for you and I'm confused by it. Confused? It makes sense to be a little bit confused, you know, especially at first. And you know, there's not really any explanation or anything. Not everybody has a sneeze counter. Right. It's only natural to count. Multiple thoughts. But you know, it's just something very silly that the ruffians have made for us. You know, and it makes us really happy and smile a lot. That ruffians that you want to celebrate every sneeze of us. Especially when there's so many. I feel like they're more rare nowadays. Oh, maybe that's what you, Moco-chan. But my sneezes have been counted from the very beginning too. I just sneeze at a much slower rate than Moco-chan. 600 going to. I just passed 100. 600. Yeah. Almost. And not quite, Moco-chan. Don't get ahead of yourself. What was my best record for one stream? I think 23. 23 sneezes on one stream. That was painful. I remember that. I do remember that. Yeah. But you know, it makes us really happy. So we hope that the ruffians are able to keep on counting them for us. It never bothered us. It would never bother us. No, it makes me sad. It made things changed. Thank you, ruffians. And thank you for your sneeze tags too. Silly ruffians. Sneeze tags. The sneeze counting is not weird. It's not weird. It's silly, just like us.